Okay, here's the method on how to name esters. Esters are almost like carboxylic acids. However, instead of having an OH group connected to the CO double bond atom, we'll have an O as well as a R group, which R can be symbolized as a carbon-containing compound. So, that's the only difference in an ester. We need to realize that esters will have two words in their name, and we will find each word separately, and then we'll combine them at the end. So to find the first word, we realize that there's a COOR functional group. We'll look at the O, and starting after that, we will find the longest carbon chain, and we'll name it S if it was an alkyl group, meaning an alkane minus one hydrogen. And then we'll label our substituents, and then that will be our first word. Our second word, we'll find the general carboxylic acid name. That means we won't worry about what this R is right here. We'll just worry about all the other carbons that are connected to the CO double bond directly. Then we'll change the IC acid to 8. So say we had carboxylic acid, or say we had methanoic acid, we would have methanoate. If we had propanoic acid, we would have propanoate. And then we'll add our substituents after that, and then that will be this word. And then at the end, we'll just combine the words together. Okay? See the future videos for some examples. Thank you.